Hello my dear friends, I Aishwarya welcome you all to my channel Jazzy Jewels. Today we are going to make one design of ring in a very special way. So today we are going to make this beautiful ring with an attached bracelet to it. So I hope that you will love this design and will give thumbs up to the tutorial. So do try to make this ring at home, and if you face any issue, do let me know in the comments below so that I can solve that issue and also others can learn from it. And lastly, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, do press the subscribe button and hit the bell notification so that we can meet on a regular basis to make such amazing and innovative jewelry making techniques like this in the future. And now, let's start it.
So the material required is square kundans, chain, lots of eye pins, a designer beads. So I have taken this oxidized beads. If you have pearl beads, you can take that one also. Then this necklace, hook, L'Oreal beads, heavy bond glue, plier, scissor, card paper to make a base, then pen. So first of all, we will stick these kundans on this card paper in a square shape. So I am taking this fabric and we will form a square here. We will make a square of 2 by 2 and one will be some different design as you have seen in the intro. Okay, and now we will form another square. So for that I will make a square like this. Now we'll put one square here to this angle of initial square, and then we will put another square here to the gap, and the next square will be this side. Okay, so similarly we repeat the same process here. Okay, so this is the main design. Now we will cut this in shapes, but I guess we have to wait for a while to get it dry. So we will wait for 5 minutes and then we will cut them in shapes. So guys, this has almost dried up and we will cut them in shape now. We will cut in proper shape. So I have cut this. Now what I do is I have taken this decorative shape. So first of all I'll make these shapes because I have to do back finishing and I have to make sure that it will come proper. So as it has a zigzag pattern, I'll pick out shapes first. So that it will be easy for us to make cuts later. And then I'll cut this square, draw this square. I'll cut this later, but I just want to make sure that I have that shapes. Now we are going to add these eye pins. and designer beads to them. So what I'll do is I'll take this. So what I'll do is I'll take this eye pin and I'll insert one designer bead in this, and then I'll cut some portion of this, and then with the help of heavy bond glue we'll insert, we'll attach this one. So we have to attach it to whole of this square, to all angles of the square. So I'll quickly do that and come back to you. So I have added these ones, and we're also going to add this to this diagonals. So we'll again do that. So we are doing this to make a heavier look of this. So guys, we are going to add 4 beads again to this sides, means each side of the square. So I'll do that. I'm not going to peek this one, but rather I'll just simply keep it here. Okay, let's see how it turns out to be, but I'm also doing it for the very first time. Now remember, we have cut this square, so we'll cut this now, and immediately we are going to add this. So I'm going to add this small square here, because it will be then easy to stick these beads and eye pins. Okay, I guess our idea will be successful. So we'll wait for it. Now we'll add the same here to this side. So we'll do that now. So we are going to add beads to the angles here. Now we will again add these to this side, both things, each side. We have drawn this shape, so we will add this immediately now, because I have to make sure that it will be get dried very fast and it fixes very fast. Okay, so we'll wait for a few minutes. So we'll wait for a few minutes to get it dry, and then we will start the further work. Guys, this has almost dried up. So what we'll do is I am taking one small square, and I will attach this. We will not be adding a square after I attach this earring, this we will not be attaching any glue, any back finishing once we attach this ring base. So I'm taking this 6000 glue and I will attach it here. Now it takes quite a time to attach, so again we will wait to get this dry, and till that time I'm adding one more base here. Okay. I'll close this glue first because it is coming out simultaneously. So we'll wait for a few minutes to get this dry now, and then we will start again. So guys, this has dried up properly, and now you can see it is dried up very clearly. Now we will add this L'Oreal beads to all of them. Well, not all of them, but few of them. We will leave few. So what we will do is we will open this eye pin and we will insert 5 will be enough, right? Okay, and then close this very properly to make sure that this won't fall down. You can also check this by moving it, that it's not going to fall. Okay, so I have done it for one. I'll do for the rest quickly and we'll come back to you. So I have attached these beads to all of this excluding one, because we have to add a chain here. So make sure that you will move it like this to make sure that no bead is falling down. Now we will add this to this one. So we are not going to add to all of these because these two sides will have chain attached, and also this one side will have chain attached. So we will just going to add these two sides. So I'll do that quickly.
If you are new here, do subscribe to my channel and make sure to like, share and comment to this video.
Okay, so I have attached this. Now we will going to attach the chain and the lobster hook. So I'm taking this lobster hook. These two chains I have already cut in my hand size, and these are some jump rings which we will need to attach all of this together. So I'm taking this one first and will open its loop and will insert this chain. And to this side, as this has two loops, I'm going to add one jump ring. Okay, so I've added jump rings, and now I'll add this end in this. We'll close this loop. So I have closed this one, and now I'll open one side eye pin and I will insert this here. So we'll do this one also. Now I am going to add one jump ring in this. And we'll insert this lobster hook. Okay, so this is almost done. Let me check if we can insert this. We can apply this lobster hook or not. Yes, we can. So you can see I have attached this and it's doing so pretty. I hope that you enjoyed this tutorial.
I hope that you found this video helpful. If so, please go ahead and like it. Share it with your like-minded friends and family. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for further notifications. You can also put your valuable comments in the comment box and let me know what would you like to see next. Thank you so much for watching my video till the end. See you next time. Until then, this is Aishwarya signing off.